Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our math class for today, which is still about Unit 10, Geometrical Figures. Last time we have discussed about this case, the beginning, the introduction for geometrical figures. Now today, we still have the same 4 geometrical figures, but we are just going to have exercises, activities for it. So we have the same vocabulary words. No, not in your book. For the vocabulary words, we have shape. What is it in Thai?
รูปร่าง
Next, we have solid.
แข็ง
And then we have angle.
แข็ง
Angle. Okay. Now, our topic last time had many vocabulary words that are very important in the next coming weeks that you will be encountering or reading or hearing in the next coming weeks, such as cube. What does cube mean?
ลูกบาศก์
Next is quadrilateral. We've used the word quadrilateral already last time. Next, mhm.
square
Yes, it's like square. A square is a quadrilateral, but there are many kinds of quadrilaterals, right? It depends on the sizes and shape. Oh, like rectangle. What else? Kite. No? Many kinds. Next is regular.
regular ปกติ
Symmetry.
symmetry สมมาตร
Prism.
prism prism
And then diagonal.
diagonal
Diagonal.
เทียงมุม
Okay. Now, our topic last time was about geometrical figures. What does a geometrical figure mean? Okay. Geometrical figure is any combination of points, lines, or planes. It means if you have drew some points and then you make a line and then you make another line, connect it to another line and enclose it. It means you make it close by connecting all the lines. Then you will be forming a geometrical figure. They are the same with shapes, but maybe there are other geometrical figure that we do not know the names, right? It depends on how it looks like. But as long as it has lines connected to each other and becomes enclosed, it means closed, no open space. It's not open. It will become a polygon. Polygon is like a shape that is enclosed, not open, right? Do you remember polygon? For example, this one is a polygon because you have sides that are connected. It is enclosed. But this one is not a polygon because it is open here. You see this part here, it's open. This is not a polygon. When you say a polygon, a geometrical figure, it has lines or maybe points. The points are here where you start the line. No, the points are here. So if you put them together, you connect them to each other and then enclose it, it will become a polygon, a geometrical figure. Now, what do we mean by side? Because when we talk about shapes, we always say side. When you say side, it means a line segment enclosing a shape. It is what makes the shape enclosed, close, right? When you say side, that is one line. This one is a side. This one is another side, and another side. The side is what makes up the shape or the polygon. Now, some polygons have different sizes of sides. Okay, they are not always the same. Now, for example, the rectangle. This one right here, this side is longer than this side. This side is the same as the side on top. right? It depends. Some sides are straight, like the one here in the rectangle. Some sides are slanting line, right? Maybe some are short, some are long and not straight, right? It depends. There are many kinds of polygons, many kinds of shapes. Next, how about angle? When you say angle, these are two rays connected by a point. This one should be ray. Ray. When you talk about ray, it's the line like this. When you see an arrow like this one is a ray. It means it has an arrow here at the end. It means it could go on and on and on. It can go longer and longer and longer. No, because it will continue to move. When you say line, line is only like this. You see two dots. It means line. It means there's a definite length, a measurement. For example, this one is 3 centimeter. You cannot extend anymore because there's the dot. There's the point. There's the point. Okay. But if it is array, you are not sure what is the length because it can go on and on and on. So an angle is made up of two rays. It means you have one here, for example, one here and one here. So this one is an angle, the space in between two rays. This is the angle. Okay, so there are many kinds of angles. There are many measurements. Do you know what's a protractor? Protractor? This one, like a ruler like this, and then it has numbers like this. Do you know that? Do you know what's a protractor? I'll show
Yes,
you.
I know. I know.
Mhm.
ในบ็อกเซตที่เป็นผลงานของคณิตก็มีเนาะ
Yes, do you have?
Yes.
This one is a protractor. This one. This, a ruler that looks like this. A protractor is used to measure the angle. So they measure, for example, this is the first ray, and then the next ray is like this. So if it is like that, then you will see the angle is 70 degrees.
Teacher, like
Okay,
this.
let me see.
Yes.
Yes, like that.
But if
But no, that one is for measuring weight, right?
yes.
This one is for measuring the angle, the distance of the angle, like this, oh, this one, like this. That's an angle. You have two lines, and then you will see the measurement. Okay, now a protractor is used to measure the angle because angles have different measurements. Sometimes you see them straight. Where is it? Sometimes you see them straight like this. We see. Sometimes you see them straight. Oh, it's not straight. Again. Sometimes you see them straight, almost straight like this, and you see it square. It's straight because it's measured 90 degrees. It measures 90 degrees. Sometimes you see angles like super small like this. You'll see it has different measurement. Or sometimes you see very tiny angle like this. Okay, they have different measurements. Now, there are many kinds of geometrical figures. Last time we have talked about 4. Do you remember the geometrical figures that we studied last time? We had 4.
Oval.
Oval, what else?
Circle.
Circle,
Triangle.
triangle, and
Square.
what's the other one? That looks like square, but not always square.
Rectangle.
Not always rectangle. It's called a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral, right?
It's
You cannot
very long.
you cannot say square rectangle because there are many kinds of quadrilaterals, even the ones that are not straight, that looks like a kite, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's review about triangle. What can you say about triangle?
Have three
They
side
have,
and three angles.
yes, triangles have three sides and three angles. It means if this is the triangle, you will see side 1, side 2, and side 3. You also see angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Now, even if the triangle doesn't look like this, okay, even if it looks different, okay, for example, one side is short, one side is longer, okay, this one is still a triangle as long as it has three sides and three angles, right? Or even if it's an upside down like this, triangle like this, that's still a triangle. Or maybe you see something like this. This one is still a triangle. Even if the other sides are longer than the other sides are shorter than the others, they are still triangle. Even if it's straight and the others are not straight, that is still a triangle. As long as when you count the sides, you see three sides, and when you count the angles, you see three angles. Right? Now, there are many kinds of triangles just like these. That's what I showed you, right? Never mind the names. We don't have to study about the names yet. Now, can you tell some objects, things that are triangle in shape?
Hmm?
Things that are triangle.
Triangle ruler.
Yes, a ruler. Yeah.
Have triangle ruler.
Yes, there's a triangle ruler. What else? Food. There are many kinds of food that are triangle. If you slice them, if you cut
Pizza.
them. Pizza, a slice of pizza. What else?
Uh,
Cheese.
pyramid.
Pyramid.
Teacher, teacher, the calendar if like this, it like a triangle.
If you fold. Oh yeah, that the calendar that can stand on the table.
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Teacher,
What?
watermelon.
If you slice a watermelon, correct. Cheese. What else? Cone. A cone
I
of
like
for the ice cream. The sailboat. The roof, and many more. Okay. Next, let's talk about quadrilateral. What can you say about quadrilateral?
add four side, four angles.
Yes, quadrilaterals have four sides and four angles. It means there's side 1, side 2, side 3, and side 4. And you have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Right? Now, no matter how long a side is, if the side is short, if the side is straight or slanting, whatever it is, as long as there are four sides and four angles, it is a quadrilateral. It is still a quadrilateral. Like this one, the parallelogram. When you say parallelogram, it's okay. You don't have to memorize these words, but teacher will just tell you, no? A parallelogram means they have the same length. See this one, parallel. They are the same. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. That's a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram because this side is the same as this. This side is the same as this. The opposite. Okay, they are the same. Now, uh just like rhombus or a diamond. You can say diamond or rhombus,
I
right?
have diamond.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, it
Yes.
like this is square and then this is diamond. It only square that's two like this.
Yes, if you flip the square, it will become a rhombus or a diamond. Another one is kite, the kite shape. No
Teacher,
matter, yes,
I have these two.
no, the trapezium. What?
Yes. I like him
Okay,
and the look.
this, no matter how different the length of the sides are, or or even if it's standing or slanting line, as long as when you count and there are four, it would be it would still be a quadrilateral. Okay, can you tell me some things that are quadrilateral in shape?
My pocket book.
Hmm?
Pencil box.
Yes, a pencil box.
Uh, sharpener.
Mm-hmm. Yes, many things. Even your table, your door, your phone, your books, even the kite, right? Okay, next, what's the next shape? We've studied about circle. What can you say about circles?
Tape. No
Circles,
side, no ankle.
circles have no sides and no angles. It has a line, which is a curved line, right? That goes on and on. Okay, it, it can go on and on and on. Now, what can you say about circle? What things are
The cup.
circle?
The cup. Okay. Cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Pizza. The whole
Mm-hmm.
of the fish. Oh.
Coin. This one is a coin. Money coin, right? Wheels, many things. And the last shape is, uh-huh,
Oval.
yeah. The last one is oval. What can you say about oval?
Oval, no side, no ankle.
Yes, just like the circle, it also has no side and no angle, but
Bakery.
it looks like a stretch circle when you stretch the circle, right? Because some parts are longer than the others. Okay, now can you say some things that are oval in shape? What
Oval.
things are oval?
It had.
What things are oval?
It's so hard. This,
This
uh,
egg, mirror, balloon, fruit, some fruits, right? Grapes,
uh,
right? The leaves.
pie.
Mm-hmm.
I like. I think I like.
Many things. Okay, now again, we had triangles, quadrilaterals, circle, and oval. Now, I will show you, this is like a game, okay? You're just going to guess or count or whatever you want and tell me how many triangles are there because this one is a tricky picture, okay? Maybe you will count only uh, a few triangles, but can you guess or can you count how many triangles are there? Teacher will show you a clue, okay?
David.
Teacher will show you a clue. This one is a triangle, right? But if you get two like this one is also a triangle, right? When you get up to here, this one is also a triangle.
Three
Huh?
triangle.
And if you get like this one is also a triangle. There are many ways to make triangles using this
Three
one.
triangle, teacher.
No, not just three. There's more, a lot more. For
I found 17.
huh?
17.
17, almost. Kit mo met, almost.
And 12. 12.
Can you guess?
12. ที่บอกว่า17คือใกล้เคียง 20. ทำไมถึง12อ่ะ 20.
Hmm?
พูดดิ 18. พูดดิ Oh, 19.
There are 18 triangles, you see?
One. After I said 18.
Oh, yeah. There are 18.
Only
See?
one.
This one is a triangle too. Triangle, triangle, triangle.
Rubik pyramid.
Right? Teacher said if no matter how it looks, as long as it has three sides, then
close.
yes, very close. Then it is still a triangle. Okay. Next, how about this one? Can you find the quadrilaterals? Which are quadrilaterals here?
1, 2, 3,
Are
4.
you sure?
I
Quadrilateral only,
1,
okay?
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and
This is
4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10,
6, 7.
11, 12. Have 12 teacher.
No. Teacher said quadrilateral only.
three. Teacher
Which numbers?
3.
Which numbers? You can
4,
say this
4,
is 1, 2, 3, and so on. Which numbers?
4,
4 is a quadrilateral, yes.
6,
6,
10.
8.
10. What else? Is this a quadrilateral?
No.
No, because it's an open one. Is this a quadrilateral?
Open. No.
No, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh
Yes, there are only 3 quadrilaterals here. Next, can you tell me if it's a quadrilateral or a triangle? This one, is this a quadrilateral or a triangle?
Triangle.
Triangle. Next.
Triangle.
Yes.
Triangle.
Quadrilateral.
Yes.
Triangle.
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 Quadrilateral.
Yes.
Quadrilateral.
Mm-hmm.
Triangle.
Mm-hmm.
Quadrilateral.
What's quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral.
This one.
Quadrilateral.
I can hear calendar. What's calendar?
Quadrilateral.
Remember the word quad. You start with quad. Quad means 4, right?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral.
Calendar.
You start with the word quad. Quadrilateral. Okay.
It's so
Now,
hard.
yes. Let me show you a video.
Quizzes. Oh, wait.
Okay. Show you a video before we go to our quizzes.
We see. Wallow.
Oh, where's our video? Our video is gone.
Video is gone.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
Oh no. What?
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
Make college easier because students have a lot on their plates.
Jack Cartman. Kids Music Channel.
2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the two lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes.
You will hear vertices. It's like vertex. When you say vertex, it's the dot, the point, okay, in the corner, the angle. It's where the angle is. So when you count the vertices, it's like you're counting the angles.
This is a square. Let's move and count the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a triangle. Let's move and count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Let's move and count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a rhombus. Let's move and count the sides of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a circle. Let's move and count the sides of a circle. A circle has 0 sides, but has 1 curved line. Let's move and count the vertices of a circle. A circle has 0 vertices, but has 1 curved line. A circle has 0 sides and vertices. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices we learned today?
Okay. Now let us go to our quizzes. Okay. Now for the quizzes, teacher wants to review first. Okay, can you see? Can you see it now? Okay, just wait. Let's review the questions first. Is this shape a quadrilateral? Yes, no, or maybe? No, it's a triangle. Is this shape a quadrilateral? Yes. Correct. Number 3. In what ways can this shape be classified? Is it a triangle but open shape? Is it a pentagon and polygon? Triangle and polygon? Rectangle and closed shape? And triangle and polygon. When you say polygon, it is closed, right? Closed shape. Next. What is true about quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals have what? Parallel sides. So you say parallel sides, they are all the same. All the sides are the same. All the sides are the same length. They have 4 sides. They have at least one right angle. They have 4 sides. Yes. Is this a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Are you sure?
What is? Oh no.
No, because it has 5 sides. Next. How many pairs of equal sides does this shape have? How many equal sides? Equal sides. It means they have the same length. Is this side the same as this one?
No.
No, this one is long. This one is short.
of equal size.
0. Nothing is the same. No.
Yes.
Yes. Next. A blank is any polygon that has 4 sides. What do you call the polygon that has 4 sides? Quadrilateral. You cannot say square because quadrilaterals can have different sides. Which shape is not a polygon? Which shape is not a polygon? This is closed, okay? This is closed. Number 1, because polygons should have straight lines.
Polygon.
Next, a polygon is a shape made of what? Straight lines. A quadrilateral has
4 sides.
4 sides. Easy. Okay, let's start. Okay, join quickly. Join now.
Kite เป็นป๊อปแคทอีกแล้ว
Faster.
Cat.
Faster, join na join. Teacher will click start already. Teacher will not wait anymore. I'll click start.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Go. So we have ayon kun natakit-en kitpumet. Okay, now let us have our live worksheet. It's just very easy. You're just going to click whether it's a quadrilateral or a triangle. Can you see? You have the choices quadrilateral or triangle. Teacher will not teach you anymore. That's very easy, right? You can do it on your own. Yeah? Okay, I'll just send it to you now. There's the live worksheet.